Hi, welcome back. It's Steve again. Welcome to another one of my videos and reviews on some Louis Vuitton items. Usually I'm doing purses. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a wallet and a key holder. They're out of the men's collection, though anybody can use them. We'll talk about that. So we'll get into more detail and we'll be right back. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me the thumbs up, the comments, the normal pitch that we give here, that I give here. So please do that. I would appreciate your support. Okay, let's jump right in. So my first review is going to be the Zippy Wallet Vertical, is what it's called. So very creative name, Zippy. I'm assuming it's for the zipper. I'm not sure, but I guess it's for the zipper. And it's the vertical, which means you have to use it like this. If you use it like this, you can't call it vertical. Just kidding. All right, the Zippy wallet. So let's take a look here. First, let's do the dimensions. Okay, it is 8 inches. 8 inches down. Across, 4 inches. So it's 4 by 8. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's got the, this is in the monogram Eclipse, by the way, is the pattern. The monogram is very light. You can't see it. They do call it a men's wallet. It's out of the men's section, but there's no reason a woman couldn't use it. There's nothing really gender specific about it. The hardware is kind of a, dark silver, gunmetal almost type of hardware on it, which goes with the dark color on the pattern. Let's open it up here. Okay, there it is. Okay, I put a couple of cards in here so you can see. Basically, I've got a credit card, I've got a business card, I've got a credit card here. There's 10 slots on this side, okay, and there's 4 on this side. So I actually hold 14 cards, and that's assuming you don't even double them up, because over that you really can't, but on this side, you can double and triple them up. A lot of people do. So you get a lot of cards in here. Here, this opens up here. You could put money or papers or whatever you want here. And on this side, you have the zippered one. So you can go ahead and put money, you can put coins in there that won't fall out, anything like that. So there's not a heck of a lot to say about a wallet, but there it is. It's nice. It's very versatile. It's got, actually even on this side, it's got a pouch. You can throw more stuff. So we've got one on this side, underneath this side, the zippered on this side, 14 card holders, plus again you can double them up on that side. This one does come, like I said, this is the monogram Eclipse. It does come in many patterns. This one retails for $805 new. I looked online. They even have one, and they call it Crocodilian Matte. Crocodilian Matte. I guess that's crocodile skin. That's $6,550. Same wallet in crocodile skin for $6,550. So wow. Okay. So again, man or woman's wallet, great wallet. Obviously not going to fit in a man's pocket necessarily, but it'll go inside a jacket and hold a lot of stuff. So there's the first one. Okay, the next. Here we are. Guess what this is? Now I'm sure people at Louis Vuitton sat down for days, weeks, maybe even years to try to come up with a fancy name for this. And here, you ready for what they came up with? You're sitting down. They call this the 6 key holder. Okay, so this is the 6 key holder. 6 keys. Okay, they also make a 4 key holder. It's a little more limited. The 6 key holder is the more popular one. Okay, so it's got a snap in the front, silver tone hardware. This is in the damier graphite canvas. It does come in many other canvases and patterns and leathers, and epi leather, things like that. But this is the damier canvas. So on the inside, again, the silver tone. You've got 6 places to put your keys. The nice thing about the 6 key holder also versus the 4 key holder is you can go ahead and on the back here, as you can see, you can slide in, you can put business cards in there, they'll fit. You can put money in there. So you can almost use this as a little wallet, throw a little bit of money, a couple of your favorite cards, your driver's license, your keys, and you're good to go. Okay? The 4 key holder is too narrow, you can't put a card behind it. But this is the 6 key holder, so you can do that. Let me see what else. This, the hooks in there, they are the silver tone, but I believe they are made of brass. When they do that, they don't want any rust because this is I guess you can take it outside or whatever, but just say it's rust. Excuse me, it's brass versus the gold tone type they use. So this is a silver tone made out of brass. All right, the other thing, you've got the 6 key slots here. Each one of these is a little, if you can tell there, just a clip. It's just, you can just snap the key in over the top of it. But you can't take these off and replace them, or if you want to remove a key and just remove the whole thing. On the side here, it's kind of hard for you to see there. You can just push down and you can slide this over. I don't know if you can see, I'm sliding it over. And if you slide it over, you can take one of these, lift it, and pop it off the back. Okay, we'll put it back in there. The back, push it down, and slide it back, and it locks in. So if you want to remove it or change these, or if it breaks or something happens there, or if you just want to take the key off without unsnapping the key up, you just push down on one of the sides. It goes either way, and just slide it over. Again, see the way it slides over. So again, wanted to add that. All right. Okay, not a lot much to say about these. Again, they're nice. Let me give you the size. I think I've talked about it. Okay, it's just a tad over 4 1/8 inches across, long, and it's about 2.5 inches this way. So it's basically 4 by 2. Okay, and very versatile, very nice. These are almost the same color, but different patterns, but I want to show it. Again, out of the men's collection, but anybody can use it. So I just wanted to do a quick video showing a couple of nice items, accessories that you guys can use and you might like. So take care again. Please subscribe to my channel. It's Steve again, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.